friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can look fresh without using any makeup. Let's get to it. Right now my skin is not doing the best, so which is why I'm doing this today. It's because I want to give my skin a break and just not put any makeup on it. I think this is nice to still look decent without putting on tons of makeup, which can exacerbate your skin situation. I hope this is helpful and you can follow along at home. For the sake of this being, an in-depth tutorial on how to be fresh, I have to include eye masks. I said earlier this is probably something you would do when you don't have that much time in the morning and still want to look nice and polished up. I don't think it's realistic that everyone has, 5 eye masks or like facial masks ready for them to use in their fridge or something. I mean, I don't at least. I only have like 3 at home. But if you are really into skincare and you have a bunch, use one. I think eye masks are quite nice because it helps me with my under eye bag area, and I think that's the worst part about not wearing makeup is I can't hide my bags. But again, realistically speaking, if you're doing this look, you probably don't have 15 minutes to hang around and just wait for your eye masks to dry. But let's get to it. Now we'll just wait 15 minutes and then peel these off. While I'm waiting for this to dry, I just want to share that when I buy masks, I like to put into the fridge as soon as I get home because this keeps everything cooler, and I just feel like it has a nicer texture when you put it onto your face. 15 minutes is up and I'm going to take my eye masks off. Is it just me, but I get really sad and emotional when I have to throw out my masks. I feel like I've connected to them in the 15 minutes that I've been with them. Now I'm going to start with the actual tutorial on how to get a fresh skin look in case you just completely didn't need that step. First, I like to go in with a toner in the places I didn't put my eye mask, which is the forehead and the cheeks, and some of my nose to some extent. I like to go in with the Mario Badescu Rosewater Witch Hazel Toner. I really love this. I got this as a little sample from Megaland and I love it. Now that I've applied my toner and my mask, I'm going to put on a generous amount of moisturizer. Even when I do these no makeup looks, I still follow my normal makeup routine. I still go in with my primer, which is my mask, and my toner, and now this is going to be my foundation. So I like to mix in 2 moisturizers. I like to use the Ren Clean Skincare in Glow Daily Vitamin C Gel Cream, and then I like to mix it with this Rosehip Serum. I don't actually know. So I like to apply a generous squirt and then 2. That's good. And then 3 pumps of the serum. I think sunscreen is essential for your everyday. Even when you're wearing makeup, it's really nice to have some products with SPF in it. I'm only going to apply a very small amount. Start off with a small amount and then add on more sunscreen, because if you add too much you can't take it off, but if you add too less you can always add more on. I'm also going to add some to my neck. Now to set everything in place, I'm going to use my facial spray. This is the Juno & Co sponge, which I recently made a review on it, so make sure to check that video out. And this is the face base done. Now this is the part where I focus on the other features of my face that I normally deal with makeup products. First, I'm going to put some lip balm on my lips because they're getting quite dry. I'm going to use the Dior Lip Glow. This is the classic what I call lollipop design, the little swirlies, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply some onto my lips. Next, I'm going to do my brows. Now I'm going to use Vaseline to do my eyebrows. I just put it really roughly on my brows and sort of glue it down flat. Next, what I do is I kind of wriggle my fingers through. I'm going to go in with my normal eyebrow spoolie and just clean it up. Done! Now, if you're concerned that your spoolie has Vaseline all over it, don't worry, it's intended to be like that. Now I'm going to take my eyelash curler and curl my eyelashes. I'm going to use this almost as a mascara. Why I do this is because this keeps the eyelashes in place and it makes it stay longer. I'm going to use the spoolie and wriggle it through my lashes to make them stay and last longer. And that's it, the brows and eyelashes are done. Vaseline can also be used as a highlighter. I think this is really skincare friendly, so I do this trick all the time when I go to school, and you just apply where you would normally with your highlighter. I really like doing this because highlighter serves the purpose when you turn around and it hits light. But when you're facing forwards towards someone, it's not very obvious and they can't really see it, which I really like. I don't know if this counts as cheating or not. I really like putting tinted lip balms onto my cheeks as a blush. I do this with my lipstick all the time, and I don't know if this counts as cheating or not because I don't consider lip balms as makeup. They're just lip balms. This is my favorite tinted lip balm. This is by Chorus. It looks like this. Get a little bit of the color and dab it onto my cheeks where I would normally apply my blush and just treat it as a cream blush. Before I'm done, I'm going to spritz my face one last time. And this, friends, concludes my how to look fresh without makeup. I love to do this look during the holidays because I'm lazy, and I love to do it when, as I said, when I have a bad skin day like today. So this is it, and I'm just going to throw in an outfit of the day and show you what I'm wearing when I'm normally at home. This is what I normally wear at home. Something just really simple, really cozy. This is just a really simple turtleneck with the word love on it that you can see through my overalls. I really love wearing overalls. I think they like jeans. No one looks bad in them. Everyone looks really cute. I'm feeling up my art student vibes. I really love this turtleneck because the sleeves make my arms look really skinny and much longer than they actually are. And I love these overalls too because they're really stretchy. I think when wearing overalls, it's really important for them to be quite flexible and stretchy, otherwise it won't be very comfortable to wear. I'm also wearing some Ugg boots because it is winter and it's cold. I don't know if you want a close-up on my face or not, but too bad you have it here now. So this is a close-up on my face of what is the end result of my no makeup but still looking fresh look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to watch for more videos. What do you think I should do next? And just comment down below some video ideas. Bye!